Hello everyone, so my name is Michael. I'm just here to share a little bit about my experience with the boot camps and the internship program run by ECA. I was just looking at trying to get some experiences to try and really progress my career in the cybersecurity world or the world of ICT. I really wanted to explore further, and I guess I felt like I still hadn't fully had the opportunity to experience was what it's like in the real world, what sort of tools, techniques that people are using in the real world, in the world of cybersecurity and IT. And so from there I met with Harry and the team of ECA, and they were just absolutely fantastic. They were just so helpful, so kind, so easy to get along with, and just super supportive. And so from there I signed up to study the cybersecurity bootcamp initially, and that's where I met Callum and some more of the team through ECA. And look, for me, I just found it was an absolutely fantastic experience. I learned a lot about new technologies, about new languages, that haven't even been implemented as of yet, throughout various organizations. And so basically, we really got to trial and test a variety of different applications and new tools, techniques, things like that along the way. I was fortunate enough to be provided the opportunity, and certainly it was something I was quite keen on exploring and participating in. And so from there I went into the internship, and I've been studying that for about the past 5-6 weeks. And this is my last week. But look, again, that's just been an absolutely fantastic experience. Again, getting to work with a live industry-based project and working on tools, techniques that's being utilised in the real world, in real-world applications, and again, just being able to experience working with a company, alongside people who have experience and again, who are just super supportive. It's just been an absolutely incredible experience.